What's good, y'all? Hope y'all are having a good day. Welcome back to another video. A few of you may know that the Cressida's been on the back burner. I wanted to finish it in time for that Slam Burglars meet. The wheels that were on this car are now sitting on the Cressida. But I plan on putting the VSKF back on this car. They're pretty small spec, but I plan on reliving them. The car used to have a lip kit on it. The front lip ended up coming loose on the freeway and I ran it over. So instead of buying another one, I ended up buying a completely new bumper. Copped a Rod Millen rear bumper. It's similar to the stock bumper, but it is a little lower and the lines on the side are a little more aggressive. So this is kind of a before. Definitely seen better days. This car is so naked, bro. Let's get home. I'll show you guys what I'm working with. And I'll probably start with the front bumper, honestly. This is the homie Kai from the last video. This is the arrow I was talking about. Aim gain fenders, Artisan Spirit skirts, Rod Millen rear bumper, and the JP front bumper. What you got there, man? You want to share? You want to share with these guys? Here. Can we share? Ooh, scary head. A lot of different colors. So my goal is just to slap all this on and kind of primer it. Get it close to the silver that it is. We'll see when I get a chance to paint it. I'm going to start with this front bumper. I'll take you guys with me. It's the next day. I'm about to throw these side skirts on. I just got home from work and in the middle of the day picked these up. A couple welding tables. Harbor Freight had a sale. Found this one local. Welding machine is on the way. I got these two tables. Perfect length for exhaust, bash bars, harness bars. I got a few other ideas, but the welding and fabrication setup is coming together. I'm gonna put you guys down and then put these side skirts on and see how well they flow with this front bumper. Quick mock-up, but a few rib nuts. Should be looking pretty good. You're gonna want to unscrew that from the outside. It's gonna be right in here. Thank you, brother. You got it. Have a good one. You too. Thank you. Got a new project for the Cressida. I'll do an unboxing of this later. Should be more secure this way. Just finished mocking up the kit. It's not perfectly mounted yet, but I wanted to use the rest of the daylight to show you how everything came together. I think everything flows pretty well. Ideally, I'd want to run some Rod Millen side skirts and the front bumper. Don't mind the wheels and fitment yet. I might just complete the set of TC4s or rebuild the VSKFs. But either way, they'll be getting swapped out in the next video along with the fenders and the headlights. that concludes this video, guys. Thanks for watching and subscribing to the channel. I'm going to be posting weekly in effort to finish most of my projects, so keep an eye out for the next video. Till next time, guys. I'll try to have everything primered in the next video. It should look a little better that way.